you all to this offline English class.
Let us begin your third chapter, Galileo.
Can you name 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Students, we all know that all 8 planets revolve around the Sun. There are many asteroids and comets that go around the Sun too. But there was a time, not many centuries ago, when even learned men believed that the Earth was fixed in space and the Sun and all the other heavenly bodies went round it. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. Galileo, born in 1564 in Italy. Galileo was called the father of modern science for his far-reaching discoveries in science. The notable one is the first law of motion of Newton, who worked on Galileo's law of inertia. His field of work included astronomy, mathematics, physics, engineering, and natural philosophy. He is best known for the invention of telescope in the theory of heliocentrism. He went a step further than Copernicus, who was tortured for the theory that the Sun was the center of the universe and the planets, including the Moon and the Earth, revolved around it. Then, he is credited with the invention of the telescope. The truth is that his idea he got from the Dutch spectacle makers, and he developed it further. Galileo was the first to discover the 4 moons and Jupiter, and they are named Galileo's moons. America launched an unmanned spacecraft in his name to honor him. Similarly, Europe had a satellite system of civil navigation named after him. And other interesting feature was his invention of the military compass and thermometer. Einstein named him as his favorite scientist and worked to go ahead with his discoveries using the work of Galileo. He was blind by the time he died, and probably many more discoveries and observations were lost to mankind because of his disability. Dear students, in this session we are going to know more about Galileo. Unit 3. Please open your English textbook. I hope you all have opened your textbook. Please look at pre-reading task. First one is name some heavenly bodies. A natural celestial object visible in the sky, such as a star, planet, natural satellite, asteroid, comet, the moon or the sun, are heavenly bodies. Objects flying or moving in the atmosphere are not usually considered as heavenly bodies. Second one is, what is astronomy? Astronomy is a natural science that studies celestial objects and phenomena. It uses mathematics, physics, and chemistry in order to explain their origin and evolution. Third one is, name an Indian astronomer. Students, Indian astronomy has a long history stretching from prehistoric to modern times. Indian astronomers are Aryabhata, Brahmagupta, Bhaskara, Amil Kumar Das, Vainu Bappu, and many more. Fourth one is, what is a planetarium? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? Students, I hope you all know about planetarium. It's a domed building in which images of stars, planets and constellations are projected for public entertainment or education. Students, now there are many planetariums in Karnataka. Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Asha Kiran Planetarium, Belgaum, Karnataka. This is Amateur Theatre in Manipal, Karnataka. Swami Vivekananda Planetarium, Pilikula, Mangalore, Karnataka. Next one, what instrument do astronomers use? Students, do you know which instrument do astronomers use? Exactly, telescope, the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be nearer and magnified several times over. Dear students, in this session we have discussed the pre-reading task of the prose Galileo. Meet you in the next session with the first part of the prose Galileo. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.